Alright, gentlemen, this is 4 rounds of boxing. I want you to protect yourselves and follow my commands at all time. No hitting behind the head and keep your punches up. Is that clear? That's glove, back to your corner.
Yan po, narinig natin ang third man in the ring. Si referee Fernando Pixio II. Ito laban Bacosa with a distinct height advantage. 5'9" po siya against Pangantao. Si Bacosa coming off that split draw with Jomel Kudyamat in September last year. Ito na po. Bakbakan na kaagad. Pangantao attacking Eman Bacosa. Bumagsak si Pangantao. Eman Bacosa scoring a knockdown in the first round. Some shots to the head, some shots to the body. Hindi na yata tatayo to. It's over! It's over! Unbelievable ending. Umatake si Pangantao, but Eman Bacosa countering, and he's in tears. He is in tears.
Bangko.
Grabe nangyari dito. And he's on his knees, Eman Bacosa, thanking the Lord for this big victory. His first win as a professional. At tuwan-tuwa po ang ating 8th Division World Champion, Senator Manny Pacquiao. You see him smiling and giving the thumbs up. Eman Bacosa scoring a first-round knockout over Noel Pangantao. And Pangantao now leaving the ring. And Eman Bacosa acknowledging the cheers of the crowd. He was in tears. And, you know, this is a landmark victory. Itong unang-unang panalo niya as a professional. Watch the punch of the round. Ito po nangyari. Umatake doon si Pangantao. So back on his heels was Eman Bacosa. And then, catching him with the flurry to the head. Yun, a right hand. A right hand to the temple. And that did the damage. Pangantao going down. And Eman Bacosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time, 32 seconds in the first round. As referee Pixio stops the fight. Winner by technical knockout, Eman Bacosa.
And there is your winner, Eman Bacosa. 32 seconds of the first round, making short work of Noel Pangantao. Grabe yung nangyari. Umatake si Pangantao, and Bacosa was back on his heels. And then he went over to the ropes. His back was against the ropes. Kumounter siya. Nakatama siya ng magandang kanan to the side of the face ni Pangantao. Biglang nabuwal. Pangantao not beating the 10 count, and he goes down as a loser by a first-round knockout to Eman Bacosa. Now, this was scheduled for 4 rounds in the lightweight division. Eman Bacosa going over to 8th Division World Champion Senator Manny Pacquiao getting a warm embrace and kisses. Oh my gosh. Eman Bacosa has scored a scintillating knockout in the first round. And everyone is so happy. I think the only one who is unhappy is Noel Pangantao. Kasi siya po natalo by first round knockout. But ito po ang highlights ng laban between Bacosa and Pangantao in the lightweight division. Ito po, umatake si Pangantao. Tapos, tinamaan siya ni Pangantao. Actually, umatake si Bacosa. And then Bacosa just raining blows. His back was against the ropes. Ito yung atake ni Pangantao.